The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation are transforming the world of work. By 2025, AI is expected to play an even more integral role across industries, changing how we work, what jobs are available, and the skills required to stay relevant in the workforce. For many, this may feel like a looming threat. Will your job be automated? And if so, how do you adapt? The good news is that AI won't replace everyone, but those who can adapt, evolve, and harness AI to their advantage will thrive in the changing job market. In this video, we'll explore how to future-proof your career and develop the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Why AI is not the end of work, but the evolution of it. Many people worry that AI will lead to massive job displacement, but experts agree that the future will likely be a mix of human creativity and AI efficiency. AI excels at performing repetitive tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and optimizing processes, but it still struggles with tasks requiring emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creative problem-solving. Rather than fearing AI, the key is to focus on upskilling and embracing technology in ways that complement human abilities. By doing so, workers can ensure that their roles evolve rather than disappear. 1. Cultivate skills that AI cannot easily replicate. While AI may automate certain tasks, there are several skill sets that will continue to be in high demand because they are uniquely human. Here are some key areas to focus on. Emotional intelligence. AI can process data and identify patterns, but it lacks the ability to understand human emotions, build meaningful relationships, or offer empathy. Professions that require high emotional intelligence, such as in healthcare, psychology, and customer service, will remain indispensable. For those in leadership roles, empathy and the ability to motivate teams will continue to be valuable skills. Creative problem solving. While AI can provide solutions based on data, it still struggles with thinking outside the box or coming up with novel ideas. Careers that demand innovation, such as in design, marketing, and entrepreneurship, will be less likely to be automated. For example, an advertising strategist or product designer will still need to think creatively to develop new campaigns and products that resonate with consumers. Collaboration and teamwork. The ability to work effectively with others, whether in person or remotely, is another skill AI cannot replicate. Professions that involve cross-functional collaboration or team management, such as project management, consulting, and HR, will remain critical. As AI takes over more repetitive tasks, humans will need to focus more on the human side of work, managing teams, and ensuring smooth operations. Critical thinking and decision-making. AI can process data and make predictions, but it often lacks the capacity to assess situations in the nuanced way humans can. Complex decision-making, especially when faced with uncertainty, will continue to be a crucial skill. Professions in law, medicine, and business strategy will require human oversight to navigate complex decisions, even if AI tools assist in gathering data or automating some tasks. 2. Develop technical skills that complement AI. While emotional intelligence and creativity are essential, it's equally important to develop technical skills that will help you work alongside AI. Here are some technical areas you should consider focusing on. AI and machine learning literacy. A basic understanding of AI and machine learning can significantly enhance your employability. This doesn't mean you need to become a full-fledged data scientist, but learning the basics of how AI works and how to use AI tools will give you a competitive edge. There are numerous online courses and certifications, such as those offered by platforms like Coursera and edX, that can introduce you to the world of AI, data analysis, and machine learning. Data analysis and data science. Data is the backbone of AI, and as companies increasingly rely on AI tools to process and analyze it, the need for professionals who can interpret and analyze data will rise. Data scientists, analysts, and data engineers are already in high demand, and this trend is expected to grow. Learning tools like Python, SQL, R, and Tableau can give you the technical skills necessary to interpret complex data sets and contribute to AI-driven decision-making. Automation tools. Familiarity with automation tools like Zapier, Power Automate, and UiPath will allow you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. By learning how to use these tools, you can focus more on strategic decision-making rather than mundane tasks, increasing your productivity and adding value to your role. Cybersecurity. As AI systems become more integral to our digital infrastructure, the need for cybersecurity professionals will grow. Protecting AI systems from cyber threats and ensuring that personal data remains secure will be paramount. By developing skills in network security, penetration testing, and data encryption, you can position yourself at the forefront of the cybersecurity field. 3. Embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. In an AI-driven future, adaptability and a commitment to continuous learning are essential. The rapid pace of technological change means that professionals will need to be flexible and willing to acquire new skills regularly. Online learning platforms. Thanks to online learning platforms, it has never been easier to upgrade your skills. Websites like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Khan Academy offer courses in a wide range of subjects. If you're not tech-savvy, these platforms also offer courses on developing soft skills, like leadership and time management, which are just as important in the workplace. Industry-specific certifications. Obtaining certifications in your field of interest can also help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's AWS certification for cloud computing or certified ethical hacker for cybersecurity, these credentials show potential employers that you are proactive about staying up to date with the latest tools and technologies in your industry. 4. Focus on adaptable roles in high-growth sectors. Certain industries are expected to experience explosive growth in the coming years, creating new opportunities for workers who are adaptable and open to evolving job roles. Some key sectors to focus on include healthcare and biotechnology. The healthcare sector is increasingly relying on AI for tasks like diagnostic analysis, personalized medicine, and robotic surgeries. While AI can help automate certain procedures, there will always be a need for human oversight, making healthcare one of the most resilient sectors. Additionally, the rise of biotechnology is creating roles in genomics, pharmaceuticals, and bioinformatics that require both technical and human-centered skills. Green energy and sustainability. As the world shifts toward a more sustainable future, industries focused on green energy, such as solar, wind, and electric vehicles, will continue to expand. This shift will create opportunities in fields like sustainable engineering, green finance, and environmental policy, where human expertise is essential for implementing AI solutions that drive eco-friendly progress. Digital transformation. As companies move their operations online, the demand for professionals with digital skills will continue to rise. This includes roles in e-commerce, cloud computing, and AI-driven customer service. As more businesses undergo digital transformation, professionals who can help them leverage AI and automation tools to improve efficiency will be highly valued. 5. The role of soft skills in the AI era. While technical and industry-specific skills are critical, soft skills such as communication, leadership, and collaboration will continue to be vital in the workplace. AI may enhance productivity, but human emotion, decision-making, and the ability to work within teams remain irreplaceable. Communication. As AI takes over more technical tasks, professionals who can communicate effectively with both teams and clients will be in demand. Leadership. Strong leaders who can navigate the challenges of an AI-driven workplace, inspire teams, and make ethical decisions will be essential. Collaboration. The ability to work with AI systems and collaborate with colleagues across various disciplines will be increasingly important. AI-defying careers for 2025 and beyond. The rise of AI is not a death sentence for careers, rather it is an opportunity to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace the technology that is shaping the future of work. By focusing on emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity, as well as developing technical skills like data analysis and AI literacy, professionals can future-proof their careers and thrive in a world where humans and machines work together. With sectors like healthcare, AI, sustainability, and digital transformation growing rapidly, there has never been a better time to start upskilling and preparing for the opportunities ahead. By staying flexible and committed to lifelong learning, you can position yourself for success in the ever-evolving landscape of work. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more expert tips, career advice, and strategies to stay ahead in an AI-driven world. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.